Hi guys, it's me. Today we're looking at a display that's designed to completely transform how large rooms work and communicate. This is the Dell C8621QT 85.6-inch LCD touchscreen monitor. And this is not just a bigger screen. It's a full-scale interactive solution built for professional environments where clarity, control, and collaboration actually matter. Right away, the size makes a statement. An 85.6-inch panel fills the space with confidence and makes everything easier to see, whether you're sitting at the table or standing at the back of the room. The 16:9 layout feels natural for presentations, documents, videos, and dashboards, so there's no learning curve. Dell keeps the design simple and clean, which helps this massive display blend perfectly into modern offices, classrooms, and meeting spaces without feeling overwhelming. The touchscreen performance is where this monitor truly earns its place. Touch input feels fast, accurate, and consistent, making it ideal for real-time interaction. Writing notes, sketching ideas, scrolling through content, or zooming into details all feel smooth thanks to the responsive 8-millisecond performance. Multiple users can interact at once, which encourages teamwork and keeps meetings active instead of passive. Image quality is another area where Dell delivers. Text stays sharp even from a distance, which is critical for large rooms. Colors look balanced and professional, not overly saturated or dull, making it suitable for everything from business data to creative visuals. Whether you're showing charts, presentations, lesson materials, or video content, the screen remains clear and comfortable to view for long sessions. What really sets this display apart is how it changes the way people work together. Instead of one person controlling everything from a laptop, the screen becomes a shared space. Ideas can be written directly on the display, changes can be made instantly, and discussions feel more engaging. For classrooms, it helps keep students involved. For offices, it makes collaboration faster and more visual. Dell also focuses heavily on reliability and ease of integration. This monitor is built to connect smoothly with common workplace devices and systems, reducing setup time and technical issues. Once installed, it feels like a dependable tool that just works day after day. The solid build quality is especially important for a touchscreen this large, since it's meant to be used frequently by many people. This is clearly not a casual entertainment display. The Dell C8621QT is designed for businesses, educational institutions, training centers, and professional environments that need a durable, interactive screen. If your goal is to improve communication, presentations, and collaboration on a large scale, this monitor fits that role perfectly. In everyday use, the Dell C8621QT proves that size alone isn't the point. It's about making information more accessible, discussions more dynamic, and teamwork more effective. For organizations ready to invest in a premium large-format touchscreen monitor from a trusted brand, this display makes a strong case. If you're interested in upgrading your workspace with a powerful interactive display, check the link in the description to learn more or purchase the Dell C8621QT 85.6-inch LCD touchscreen monitor. Thanks for watching and see you next time.